Can, could, should, must. Do you really know the difference? 25 questions on modal verbs. Only one correct answer each. Let's see how you do. Question 1. You blank wear a seatbelt in the car. It's the law. Question 2. Blank, you help me carry these boxes, please? Question 3. She blank play the piano when she was 5 years old. Question 4. You blank eat more vegetables. It's good for your health. Question 5. I blank swim, but I'm not very fast. Question 6. He blank be at home right now. I just saw his car outside. Question 7. You blank park here. It's a private area. Question 8. I blank like to book a table for 2, please. All right, pause for a second. Modals are confusing, but you know what's even harder? Using them naturally in a real conversation. Should I say can or could, must or have to? If you overthink every sentence before speaking, from stuck to fluent can change that. 500 real phrases ready to use, organized by everyday situations. 30 days to go from stuck to speaking. Link in the description. Question 9. You blank work tomorrow. It's a public holiday. Question 10. It blank rain later, so take an umbrella just in case. Question 11. Blank, I open the window. It's really warm in here. Question 12. She blank to work overtime last weekend because of the project. Question 13. You blank have told me earlier. Now it's too late. Question 14. He blank be Italian. He speaks the language perfectly. Question 15. When I was a teenager, I blank stay up until midnight without feeling tired. Question 16. You blank touch that. It's extremely hot. Question 17. Blank, you mind closing the door? Question 18. She, blank, not be feeling well. She left the party very early. Question 19. I think everyone, blank, learn basic first aid. It can save lives. Question 20. He, blank, have forgotten about our plans. Let me call him. Question 21. You, blank, be 18 or older to enter this place. Question 22. Blank, you speak any other languages besides English? Question 23. She, blank, have studied harder for the exam. Her score was disappointing. Question 24. I, blank, rather stay home tonight, if that's okay with you. Question 25. He, blank, have been the one who left the lights on. He was the last to leave. Done! 25 modal verb questions. How did you score? These are some of the trickiest words in English, so don't worry if you missed a few. Share your score in the comments and let's see who nailed it. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you in the next one.